We are here in Princeton, New Jersey. We just finished renovating this deck. We're going to show you the deck. The clients wanted us to only fix the stairs, the treads. This is the treads of the deck and the floor of the deck because of damages. It was really damaged from water and snow, sun. You know, New Jersey, it can be like rough temperature sometimes, very extremes. On this deck, we replaced 44 boards, most of them actually under the tree. The moisture, the water that sits there, from all kind of reason, it was many damages over there. So we replaced here the entire deck, about more than 40 boards. Also, we replaced few of the spindles that were broken, replaced it. It was very hard to find it because we went to the special store that can find stuff that was installed, I don't know, in the last 30 years. Very hard to find it. We installed that, and then when we completed the installation of the new boards, we sanded them and we applied stain. So we apply here stain, everything is stained here. There's no paint, we never paint the deck. Stain penetrate into the surface, so it will last more years. Yeah, houses like that, when we paint houses, the paint stay in a good condition, let's say between 10 years, but it can last 50 years. So let's hope that it will last them as many years as possible, but you know, it's rough conditions here. But we did the wood installation, we sanded the entire deck, we power wash also to remove the mold and mildew first, and then we stain the two coats so it's look beautiful. The floor is brand new stain, the entire floor. Actually, the railing and spindles, they asked us just to do touch-ups, just few touch-ups on few sections, because they didn't want to invest so much money, because probably we're going to remove the entire deck next year and install brand new deck, not made of enough wood. Probably we're going to use the company AZEK. It's a prefabricated material made of PVC/plastic. It's not made of wood. So this is this stage. That's what we did. We put the furnitures back. We put the storage box back. All the flowers, everything was sitting here. We also power washed the bricks here, as you see. We power washed this section. Next stage is to power wash around the pool. We're going to remove all the weeds, and probably in August, another couple of 3 months, we're going to paint the entire house. We already, the clients agree about the price. They're happy with our prices. It's probably around 8 days project it will be, by 4 or 5 painters. We're going to install brand new wood also. Some section of the house we're going to replace rotted boards. But this is a future business, future project. Right now we completed the deck. The client is happy, she's here taking care of a pool. We just talked to her, she's very satisfied. She's got guests here from all over the world, and then they're happy. They have a sitting area next to the pool. We're taking care of the maintenance. We already painted the entire interior of the house. So we've got lots of experience with them. They're very happy.